Cars have always been a passion of mine ever since I could remember. My grandfather was the first person in my family to introduce me to cars. He learned his love for cars in the army and eventually became a car salesman. At the age of 26, he moved from Venice, Italy to San Jose, California, where he began his long career at Mercedes-Benz car dealership. When I was younger, he took me to work, let me look at the cars, and even talk to the customers. If he had time off, he would even take me out on a test ride around the dealership. I remember putting the window down and taking in the smell and sound of a new car. He also told me my constant presence was a great way for me to work on my people skills as well as gain some positive connections. As I got older, not only did I enjoy cars, but also hard work and money. I realized that these cars at the Mercedes-Benz dealership were not easy to acquire. The customers who showed up to the dealership were hardworking, successful individuals. That realization made it all the more special to be a guest at the dealership. As I got older, I also fell in love with one particular car. It was a white G-Class SUV, otherwise known as a G-Wagon. It was big to take on trips, but also was nice looking and long lasting. Before my grandfather passed away, he bought my family the white G-Wagon I had always wanted. It was a special moment to read the card he left for my family, explaining how he loved having his grandchildren with him at the dealership. The new car has been a great new addition to our family, and it reminds us on our many trips we take together that my grandfather is still with us.